Look at this. I'm in Y, Arizona. There's a gas station, travel center kind of place. And there is an old car that's been transformed into a water fountain. It's a running fountain. Look at this. Look at this car. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. See? It's called the Why Not Travel Store in Y, Arizona. Is this cool? And by the way, I wonder what model this car is. It'd be neat if somebody could tell, you know, from the frame and, you know. But it's also, there's more here. Driver's side door. You got more. Isn't that neat? It's coming out of the windshield area. And then coming onto the hood. That's so great. Oh my gosh, this is so great. And then also on the driver's side, they got it too. So this is in Y, Arizona. Looks like it could have been I think it was a pickup truck. I think it was a pickup truck. An old pickup truck vehicle transformed into a fountain. Now that is creativity, and that is beautiful. Thank you for watching. And it's especially nice in southern Arizona where everything's just desert.